Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to help you and troubleshoot and fix a common issue with Samsung washing machine. That Samsung washing machine humming but not spinning. So if you are experiencing this problem, don't worry, we have got you covered. So let's get started. So the first thing is to check for any obstruction in the washer drum. Look for items like socks or small clothes piece that might be blocking the drum from spinning. After that, inspect the drive belt located at the back of your washer. If it's closed, loose, damaged or broken, it could be causing the issue. So you can simply contact the assistant or a technician to replace the belt if necessary. After checking the belt, test the motor. If the motor is fault, it may be causing the humming sound, considering replacing the motor if needed. And the another common culprit could be the lid switch. If the lid switch is malfunctioning, it can prevent the washer from spinning. So let's check and replace the lid switch if it's fault. And the final step is to check that you are not dip clothes above the limit. So you can check your washer limit and then remove the unnecessary clothes. So if you are still facing this issue, so it's time to contact for a customer support of Samsung washing machine. You can simply contact the Samsung washing machine by using a toll-free number or a live chat. After that, they will send an engineer at your home within 24 to 48 hours. After that, they will inspect your washing machine and then they will find and replace and fix the bug. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Goodbye.